All right, folks. Hey, we're going to get into some linear golf. I'm thinking of all you golfers out there right now. Probably not greatest weather to go out golfing as I look out my window and it looks kind of soggy outside. But let's talk about linear golf. We're going to try to putt all of these balls into the hole, but we have to come up with the right equation in order to get them into the hole. Okay, so let's see here. The directions say linear equation golf. The golf cup is located at -2, 2. Find the equation that will knock each ball into the tee. Into the tee? Is that what it's really called, golfers? I thought you tee off the tee. Anyways, here's what I'm going to do. I'm trying to pick maybe one of the hardest ones out so you can kind of see what's going on. We've got some suggestions off here to the side. It says steps. Find the slope by counting the rise and run. Okay, plug into y equals mx plus b, write your final answer for the shot. Okay, so as I look at this, I might take this one at 10 and, even draw it back here fairly lightly. I don't want it to be too distracting for the rest of my work here, but draw it back to the hole. Okay, so as I look at 10, to get back to the hole, I'm going to count the rise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So my rise is 9. We'll put down 9 right there. Okay, so you can see it better. It's a lot to look at. It's almost like it should be up on a... Okay. So if you can't see here, my rise and my run, I put a rise of 9, and I'm going to go left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Left 6. So I'm going to put -6 right there because I went to the left. Okay. Now when I simplify that, that gives me a -3/2. Okay, -3/2. That's my slope. Now from there, my y-intercept looks like it crosses. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Good. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Good. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Look at that. So my y-intercept is actually at -1. So my y-intercept equals -1. So my equation here for number 10, y equals -3/2x minus 1. Okay, and that is my answer right there for number 10. Okay, find your slope, find your y-intercept, plug it into the equation, and you are done. Okay, now there are two of them that give me cause for concern. Let's go ahead and take a look at the picture here a little bit more closely. The two that I think might give you some issues would be this one right here. Okay, be careful on that. We've talked an awful lot about vertical lines. What's the slope of a vertical line? Not going to tell you. Hopefully you remember. This one right here, complete horizontal line. We've talked a lot about those. Hopefully you remember. Okay. Other than that, I would say this. When you're doing your slope, make sure you're counting in the right direction. So rise is positive, and then run, if it goes to the left, is negative. To the right would be positive. If you're going down for your rise, that would be negative. Okay, so just have your negative and positives marked out so that you don't make any of those silly mistakes on this paper. So anyways, outside of that, I think I'm going to let you guys go. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you for paying attention, and we'll see you later.